Want to hide long text on your Wix website with a read more button? And here's how to add collapsible text in just a few clicks. So first, open your Wix editor, choose the page where you want to add the text. You can add it to an existing section or make a new one. Then go to the left corner here and then click this plus icon that says add elements. Click on text, then go to collapsible text, and here you will see few options. You can choose whatever you like. For this example, I'm going to select the second one. You can drag it to your section and resize it if needed. And now all you have to do is click change text. Now you can paste your own paragraph into the box, and this is great if you have a long descriptions, FAQs, or blog intros. Now here you will see two options. First is link to another page or article, or you can simply expand the text right there. I'm going to click this because it will help the visitor to stay on the same page. You can also change the button label, something like read more or view all or anything you want. Now, all you have to do is go to the change design. And here you can adjust the font, the style or color, anything you want. Make it match your website style and move the text book or box wherever it fits the best. Now click preview at the top to test it and click read more, then watch your text expand. Once everything looks great, hit publish, and that's how you add collapsible text in Wix fast and easy. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.